What is up, YouTube? So, Pierce Janich here, and I'm doing a review, blind reaction, on Michael Winslow. I don't know if you guys are a child of the 80s, but Police Academy, Police Academy was my thing. And seeing him do the vocals and the random noises was just amazing to me. Now, mind you, I might have been 5, maybe 7 when I saw Police Academy, so I don't know too much about it. I don't know if it was, gritty or racial or anything. I just know it was really funny watching Michael Winslow do these voices and pull pranks on people because of the voices. Now, as I got older, the Police Academy films didn't really work out too well for me. But when this first came out, it was awesome. So I found a BBC clip interview on him, and I'm thinking, you know what? Let's just do a blind reaction and see what I can learn about him. Now, this will be the first time I really watched him in like probably 30 years. So let's just, see what I learn.
Shut up! I haven't even bitten you yet.
Although Michael Winslow may look like yet another of the thousands of weird people who roam around New York, he is in fact...
He looks weird. Is that supposed to be a compliment? Hey, he looks like a weird people like everybody else. Like, come on. Damn.
One of the hottest new names in American show business. That's all because Michael possesses some pretty extraordinary vocal talents.
Average helicopter.
Using just a microphone, a simple foot-operated delay system, and a small...
And I did not know about the foot-operated delay system. I just learned that watching this. So he uses his feet pedal and this right here to do everything? I never
amplifier, Michael has been able to dazzle audiences with his vocal gymnastics. Michael developed his talent at an early age, when, as a child on an Air Force base, he got bored and began to imitate the...
Wait, he's a military brat? Maybe I'm a military brat too. Maybe that's why I like him.
Noise of aircraft and machinery around him.
Every person's physique is designed for specific sound effects. For anyone to say that they couldn't do anything is just a very cop-out, defeatist attitude. Anyone can.
Okay, well, I have a cop-out, defeatist attitude because I can't do it. I'm going to be honest with you. I can't do it.
Make certain sounds.
His ability to mimic the late rock performer Jimi Hendrix is quite staggering.
Y'all mind if I do some music? Yeah, I'm gonna make it too loud, it's just, let me get this straight here. So we're gonna do the music, rain all day. Make my house in Malibu slide away. Dude,
Why didn't he come up with an album? That album would have been amazing, I would think. He has a great voice.
Michael's range of vocal talents have now catapulted him to stardom, recently landing him a part in an enormously popular American comedy film called Police Academy, soon to be released in Britain.
What are you in for? I'll show you.
Stop that! Oh, no, sir. No, not you.
That's terrific, really.
I mean, you see that at a 5-year-old, that you're dying. That is the funniest thing in the world to a 5 or 7-year-old.
Despite the glamour of his newfound stardom, Michael is quite happy to be out roaming the streets. In Los Angeles, which is his home, his vocal talents have often come to the aid of the local street break dancers.
There's one time when their cassette music screwed up, so they needed somebody to put some rhythm, and there was just no records or nothing. So I said, no problem, guys, let me do it. So I would go.
Break, break. Break, break.
That's incredible. Don't you really drive your next-door neighbors crazy? Don't they object to all these noises?
Every day. I love those people when they go, shut up, you idiot! I love it. And I say, I love you too.
I mean, it would drive me crazy too, but at the same time, I mean, man, come on, the man's making his money. You can't get mad at the man making his money, right?